here today to do a hair tutorial. I am going to do a half up, half down ponytail and then put a little bun at the top for her. Kristen has very fine hair, so the biggest thing is just kind of making that bun appear thicker than what she has. So I'm going to tie her off here. And the biggest trick, it's kind of like my space buns tutorial that I did, but this is basically, we're going to do it with one bun instead. So I'm going around twice, and then on that third one, if you want to zoom in on this, I'm going to go just almost out, but not quite. And then I'm going to take my bobby pins, put some little flowers in there for her. Little pins there. And I just pick up these guys from Sally's. I think they make a great little decoration to a bun. They look like these. And I'm just kind of tucking everything into her ponytail. So you kind of look around, if you want to spin her around. I've got those little pins in there. And this look is supposed to be more of like a messy bun look, but you know, elegant, like she spent some time on it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy that.